Hey everybody, this is Justin with Saunders Realty, and I'm very excited to show you a new home that we have up for rent. The address is 5400 Alamo Drive in Winston-Salem. We'll start by giving you a quick shot of our neighborhood. This is in a great location right off of Country Club Road and Phillips Bridge. So just up this road here, you can see traffic driving by right up there. That's Phillips Bridge. And then also at the end of Alamo here is Phillips Bridge as well. So coming in the front door, just as you come in, there's a coat closet to your right. This is a living room. Coming straight ahead is the kitchen. Have granite countertops. Dishwasher, refrigerator, cooktop, oven. Then you have a huge family room here. A gas fireplace with built-in shelving. Lots of windows that leads out to a large deck. Washer and dryer connections are just in that closet. This would be a dining area here. Okay, going down the hallway, to the left you have a full bath. To the right is one of the 3 bedrooms. This has a built-in desk and bookshelves. Altogether, this home is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. This is the 2nd bedroom. Then at the end of the hall here is the master bedroom. So you've got 2 closets in the master bedroom, one here and one just on the other side of that door. And then this is the master bath. So you've got a nice stand-up shower here. It's all tile. Okay, now we'll go down into the basement. So in the basement, this would make a great entertainment room. Make it a game room, perfect for kids. Chalkboard here. Also lots of storage in the basement. This is a full basement. Got a closet there. Have a half bath here. 1-car garage in the basement. Then you have a great place back here for storage, also for a shop. Got a built-in workbench. Another bench here, and storage in the back. Now we'll go out on the back deck. Okay, so coming out onto the deck, this is through the large family room on the back side of the house. So it's nice and peaceful back here. A lot of trees, a lot of shade. I'll show you the backyard. This is all fenced in. So again, this has been Justin with Saunders Realty. I am at 5400 Alamo Drive in Winston-Salem. If you'd like to take a look at this house in person, you can visit our website, rentwinston.com. You can call our office at 336-939-6275 or email us at info@srealtynow.com.